Hello, I'm Sarah with LG's Home Appliance Learning Team, here to bring you up to speed on the all-new 1-hour wash and dry cycle found in LG's latest dishwashers. You may be wondering, how does it work and how can it make my life easier? So in this video, we'll cover some of the top features of the newest LG dishwashers. LG's 1-hour wash and dry cycle, the industry's leading 1-hour wash and dry cycle with Quad Wash Pro and Dynamic Heat Dry, delivering maximum cleaning coverage and thorough drying faster than ever before. Spend less time waiting on dishes and more time on what matters. And you're about to find out what it means to do dishes at the speed of life. Let's get started. As you know, it can take 3 or 4 hours or even longer to wash and dry your dishes in most dishwashers. And even then, you might still have to get out your towel to finish the job. But now, you can go from dirty dishes to clean and dry dishes with LG's industry-leading 1-hour wash and dry cycle, which gives you towel-dry, table-ready dishes using the combined power of LG's new Quad Wash Pro and Dynamic Heat Dry technologies. That means sparkling dishes in less time, so you can spend more time on what matters. But how does it work? The 1-hour wash and dry cycle starts with Quad Wash Pro technology. The Quad Wash Pro uses air to generate over 1 million microbubbles. These microbubbles soak dishes and are highly effective at breaking down food residue and grease. Then, Quad Wash Pro uses high-pressure jets to power clean from multiple angles, delivering 38% more cleaning power than previous models. Following a thorough wash, LG's Dynamic Heat Dry technology uses a hidden heating module to create hot air. The hot air is circulated throughout the stainless steel tub. Then, the air is vented out for faster, more complete drying. So dishes are ready to be put away or put on the table right out of the dishwasher. So, now that you know how the LG's 1-hour wash and dry cycle works, what else can LG's newest dishwashers do? With True Steam technology, the power of steam from 212-degree boiling water softens dried-on food, which means you don't have to pre-wash your dishes. Did you know that LG True Steam is NSF certified to reduce bacteria on dishes by over 99.99%, with a rinse temperature of over 150 degrees when operated on the steam cycle? This fast-drying rinse will also help eliminate water spots by up to 60% than using a rinse aid. With its convenient design, the height-adjustable third rack holds more items so you can save time and wash fewer loads. And it's perfect for everything from flatware and long-handled utensils to small espresso cups. The glide rail and ball-bearing wheel design ensures smoother loading and unloading, and allows even your heaviest dish loads to glide in and out effortlessly. Plus, the LED tub light illuminates your dishes when the dishwasher door is open. And with top-mounted controls and LG's print-proof finish, your dishwasher will stay just as sparkling outside as the dishes inside. Finally, LG finishes the look of your dishwasher with your choice of a pocket handle and a unique hidden timer, or a thoughtfully placed towel bar handle. Both styles would look fantastic in any kitchen. With the industry's leading 1-hour wash and dry cycle, this dishwasher lets you do dishes at the speed of life, so you can conquer your daily chores in less time. LG's innovative Quad Wash Pro and Dynamic Heat Dry technologies combine to deliver maximum cleaning coverage and thorough drying performance for clean and dry dishes faster than ever before. That means you can spend less time waiting on dishes and more time on what matters. Plus, our True Steam technology helps to penetrate food residue, reduce water spots, and sanitize your dishes. And just one more thing, LG's latest dishwashers scored most efficient in 2023 Energy Star ratings. And the next time you have dishes from dinner, they will be clean before it's time for dessert. Doing dishes at the speed of life, that's when you know life's good.